In the desert of southern New Mexico, surrounded by rugged mountains and open skies, stands Spaceport America, the world's first purpose-built commercial spaceport. Opened in 2011, this futuristic facility was designed to serve as a launchpad for the commercial space industry. Unlike traditional spaceports that began as military or government sites, Spaceport America was built from the ground up with private spaceflight in mind. Its most famous tenant is Virgin Galactic, which conducts crewed suborbital flight aboard the spaceship to VSS Unity, giving private citizens and researchers a chance to experience the edge of space. The spaceport's location at 4,600 feet above sea level with 340 days of clear weather each year makes it ideal for both rocket launches and atmospheric test flights. Spaceport America features a 12,000-foot runway, vertical launch pad, mission control, and advanced support infrastructure. Beyond tourism, it supports scientific payload, student research programs, and experimental aerospace projects, fostering innovation in space access. More than just a launch site, Spaceport America symbolizes a new chapter in humanity's journey, where space is no longer the sole domain of government, but a frontier opening to private enterprise, explorers, and dreamers alike. From the sands of New Mexico to the stars above, Spaceport America is shaping the future of commercial spaceflight. Thanks for watching.